Hello humans! First of all, I just want to say thank you to Dawn for sending us a lovely package with the subject of this video. I've got a small play stand that she picked up on Amazon, and I just wanted to outline some of the dangers that come along with this really commonly available product. Just because something says it's for birds doesn't necessarily mean that it's safe. So let's check it out on Amazon. This is the play stand that Dawn sent. You can see by this giant chunk of just word vomit that they are spamming every keyword possible in order to get you to look at it. But this is the biggest red flag I can see right here. That's a macaw. He is very badly photoshopped onto this stand. Frankly, I feel like if you have no idea how big a macaw is, you have no business using a picture of one. I feel like a consumer ought to be able to trust that the picture that they see is accurate for things like size, and in this case, it absolutely isn't. They use all these pictures of tiny birds like budgies and parrotlets and lovebirds, even conures and cockatiels. That makes sense, but then they throw this badly photoshopped macaw on here for attention. You'll also notice that they put the installation directions right here instead of in the package. It's not good. If we zoom in on some of these photos, you can see unsafe components, and I always recommend trying to look for these. I know they're hard to see in the photos sometimes. This connector right here, that's not safe. We've got bells that are of an unsafe shape. Many birds can pull the clanger out of that. This bell it appears to be brass of some kind. Not safe. I'm really not sure how I feel about this clamped on food bowl feeding cup situation. If that were to slip off for some reason, I feel like that could cause some serious injuries. We're gonna look at the actual physical stand, what we got in the package, and see how these things look. Here it is, how it came in the mail. Let's build it. Yeah, so, there it is. It's not good. She's about to destroy it instantly. Yep, there she went. Okay, so, next up, we are gonna reconfigure this thing and make it safe and way more fun. Even though Yuki is clearly having a great time demolishing it for us right now. Great job, Yuki. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to help us grow. See you next week!